Morning. Yeah, I'm here in Elkhorn, Wisconsin. You can see here, I don't have Abe no more. He decided he didn't want to come back out to the trucks yesterday, and so I left. He said he was throwing up, had to go to the emergency room. Sounds a little fishy to me, but whatever. He said he's already talked to the boss, so I'm trying to get a hold of him this morning. Here to deliver this load, been here since 6:30. Supposed to go in the dock where that red truck is. So got that load of bubble gum on, and just waiting for this guy to get out of the way. So I don't know what he's doing, but after that, I don't know what I'm doing besides calling Greg and seeing what's going on with Abe and all that good fun stuff. So just keep you guys updated and go from there. We had a good birthday party for my 1-year-old granddaughter, and everything's cool after that. We got the video of her great uncle, my brother, who's a sergeant for the police department, pulling her over. If you guys haven't watched that, you should check it out. It's kind of funny. But besides that, just trying to do this day-to-day stuff here and try to get backed into this door real quick. Go from there. Just got backed into this dock right here. Whoa. They're already starting to unload me, it feels like. Put a red light on me already. That dumpster over there made things a little difficult with that right there. And then there's another dumpster there you can see in the mirror. Crazy stuff. And then there's a truck right there. So, not very much room. So I got in the door. Let me see about making me up some breakfast real quick and then go from there. I'm gonna try to do this Keto diet that everybody's talking about. See what I can do with it. See if I can lose some of this. So I'm not being old fat cat driver no more. So see what's going on. Talks about this Keto diet thing, and what I got going on right here is 3 pieces of bacon. There's still raw right here. Some onions, jalapeno, mushrooms, just to give flavor. And I'm gonna put about 3 eggs in it. After I get the bacon cooked, I'm gonna crumble it up a little bit and throw some, I think mozzarella cheese in with it, just to call it like a little omelet hash thing. That's what I'm doing right this second. It's just regular bacon, mushrooms, onions, and some sliced fresh jalapenos. Hey, what's up? I took and ate my keto breakfast. Had 3 pieces of bacon. Had they were raw bacon. Then I took and put diced up an onion, yellow onion, some 4 mushrooms, 2 of them portobello, 2 of them white bell. Sliced up a little bit of a jalapeno, put it in there and fried it until the bacon was crisp. I cut the bacon up, put 3 eggs in it, kind of chopped those up, kind of scrambled them in with everything, then covered it with a little bit of shredded mozzarella cheese and threw some cherry tomatoes in it. It's pretty scrumptious, very fulfilling. So that's my first keto meal, and now we're sorry I didn't get any pictures of it because I was talking to somebody about I was talking to Wolfman Mark on the phone about Abe and his stupid little shenanigans, or whatever you want to call it. But whatever, that's between me and everybody else, so it's not going to be coming on YouTube. You know, the kids wants to be childish, you can be childish, but whatever. But we're going to go out and pick up some fish aquariums, going out to Long Island, New York. Yay for fucking me. But that's what I'm going to do. So that's what I have to do, and that's what dispatch tells me. I got to go do it. So fun. So now I'm going to go to Quick Trip and get some go-go juice, and then have to figure out how I'm going to drive 929 miles by 7 a.m. in Long Island on Wednesday. And this stupid load's not going to be loaded until 2 o'clock this afternoon. So it's bullshit. So have a good one. I'm at this place in Franklin, Wisconsin. Getting out of the truck here. I'm going to pick up a load of aquariums to take to Long Island, New York. Fun stuff, I'm telling you. So, yeah, see, I'm wearing my contacts too. So I get to wear my Oakleys now. I finally got to the doctor Saturday and was able to get my contacts renewed so I can start wearing my badass Oakleys. See where we're going here and see if we get any paperwork for me. Finally got loaded out here. That's what I got, fish aquarium. So there's no way to strap these things at all. So just gonna have to deal with them the way they are. You got an airbag in them. They'll ride. So put the seal on real quick and then put my padlock on here. So somebody doesn't try to open up the trailer. Open these wings up. They're open. I got 4 hours and 40 minutes. Got a slab of tannins back. There's only 16,000 pounds back here. So we mostly air and glass. So we'll get the trailer slid back and I'm gonna get the heck out of here. Try to get over to at least Lake Station, Indiana. I should get a little farther than that, over by South Bend if I can. I'm working on cooking my dinner here. Put about right there, a little bit of oil in my little Ninja there. Here's a little cube of butter. And it's from this stuff. So it can get in there and start moving around a little bit. Loving life. Like so. Get that all melted in there with the coconut oil. See how this is going to work. And what I'm going to do is I got a Swiss steak. And I kind of cut it in half, put half of it in my freezer, and then I just sliced up the other half of it, and I put half of it in for here. The other half of it I'm going to throw back in the freezer in the truck so I can have it for another day. I got a crown of broccoli and some mushrooms here that I got still cut up. So I got to get the meat in there real quick. And then put some of these seasonings in it to give it a little bit of flavor. I'll be back with you. Alright, there's the broccoli, the mushrooms, and the meat all together. Right here I got a little bit of a Chinese cabbage I'm going to put in here. I got a little bit of ginger for flavor to make it like a Asian cuisine. So I'll just put a little dab of the, I like spicy stuff, so I love ginger. And then I'll put my handful and a half or whatever of the cabbage in there, just to give it more veggies and a little bit more pizzazz. So you get that. And I'm going to hit it with a little bit of this soy sauce. It's a gluten-free version of it, and I'm just going to put probably about 10 or 12 of these little squirts in it, just to give it a little bit of flavor on top of everything. And got these here, wild tomatoes. I'm just going to put a handful of these in there. Not that many whole, a couple more, just to give it some veggies in there. Kind of stir this around a little bit, and we'll let this render down. You put the lid on it and let it simmer. These tomatoes should pop open. So the broccoli should be cooked through. Gotta get that ginger all stirred around in this. And then the cabbage is going to kind of act as a rice for me, or like a noodle. So we'll give it a little bit of a texture that I would desire. Okay, put the lid on it and let it sit there and simmer. Alright, I got this stuff done here. There's a piece of meat there, broccoli, those are tomatoes broke down. This here's the cabbage kind of reduced down and kind of makes it like a noodle right there. But it's actually pretty damn good. Not bad. Portion control and all that. So call it my little beef and broccoli Asian cuisine here. But it's all vegetables. Have a good one.